Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the stunning Meilenstein Langenthal Hotel. This place is known for its incredible amenities, but I am particularly excited to check out the inside aquarium and the F1 Formula 1 car showroom. Let's dive in. First up, let's explore the aquarium. As you walk in, you are greeted by a breathtaking display of aquatic life. The ambience is so calming with the sound of water and the vibrant colors of the fish. Look at this exotic fish. They really bring this place to life. The attention to detail in the tank design is amazing. From the artificial corals reef to the lighting that mimics underwater sunlight, it's just beautiful. One of my favorite has to be this one. It's so beautiful and serene. And did you know the aquariums like this can help improve mental health? Just watching the fish swim can be so therapeutic. And there is a fun fact. The aquarium is also home to some rare species. It's so great to see how the hotel promotes awareness about the marine conservation.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things.
Alright, now let's head over to the car showroom. I can't wait to see some of their incredible vehicles.
Start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never
Whoa,
know.
check this out. The car showroom here is just as impressive as the aquarium. Look at the stunning models.
Set to rise. Here we go. You can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's
One thing I love about this particular showroom is that they showcase not just luxury cars but also some unique concept models. I mean, like this one here. It's just not a car, it's a piece of art. And here we have some real beauty. The craftsmanship and design are just on another level. It's fascinating to see the evolution of automotive design up close. Imagine driving this down the road, and the technology in this car is just mind blowing. That wraps up our tour of the Meilenstein Langenthal Hotel's aquarium and car showroom. It's been such a fantastic experience exploring these unique attractions. If you ever get a chance to visit, I highly recommend it. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for many more adventures. Until next time, it's me Sudipta Ghosh signing off for the day. Take care. Bye bye.